everybody, I'm here today to show you how to change lanes to the right. This will be a very simple driving tutorial, and I'm going to go over all of the steps that are required for safely and properly changing lanes to the right. Okay, let's get right into it. First and foremost, you want to put your right signal on. If you're changing lanes to the right, you got to let other drivers know that you're going to be doing that, and that's what your signals are for. I always recommend putting your signals on first, simply because it's going to allow other drivers to know while you're doing your other safety checks that you're ready to change lanes very shortly. Next, you want to check your rear view mirror and your right side mirror and your right blind spot in that specific order. After you've signaled right, check your rear view mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot. What you're looking for is enough of a gap to change lanes safely. If a car is too close to you and you can't change lanes safely, then don't do it until you can change lanes safely. When you can do so safely, you're gonna steer to the right slightly and straighten out when you get in that new lane. Now I'm going to demonstrate it for you in just a moment, and then I'll give you a few extra bonus tips for changing lanes in a smoother manner and a safer manner. Let's get right to it. We're going to change lanes to the right. So I'm putting my right signal on, checking my rear view mirror, my right side mirror, my right blind spot. I'm good to go. So now I'm just steering to the right, straightening out in this new lane. Now, it's literally that simple. We'll do it one more time. I'm going to switch back to the left over here, changing lanes to the right. Right signal goes on, rear view mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot, good to go. Steering to the right, straightening out in this lane. Very simple, easy peasy process. Now here are a few bonus pieces of information to help you change lanes in a much safer and smoother manner. Okay, first and foremost, your steering should be smooth and easy. You don't want to be aggressively cranking that wheel. Your steering should be smooth and easy. Smoothly steer. It's as simple as that. Number two, you should be maintaining your speed. So meaning, while you're switching lanes, you should be basically maintaining your speed. Don't slow down, don't speed up, just basically maintain your speed. And you want to be hovering on the gas pedal, not the brake pedal. If you hover on the brake pedal, your brake lights are going to be on, which is going to signal to the other drivers behind you that you're slowing down, but you don't want to slow down. You're maintaining your speed. You should also be sure to only switch lanes when you can do so without, having to slow down or speed up. The only exception to this little mini set of guidelines is going to be if you are passing a car. And if you're passing a car, you should switch lanes first, and then once you're in that new lane, then you're going to accelerate, right? So very simple and straightforward. Switching lanes to the right is easy. The process is simple and straightforward. You want to start off by putting your right signal on. Then you want to check your rear view mirror, your right side mirror, your right blind spot. And let me just explain briefly why you're going to be checking your right blind spot. So your rear view mirror is going to show you all of the cars behind you out your rear windshield. So that area right there is my rear windshield. My rear view mirror is going to show me all out there. My right side mirror is going to show me all down the side of my car. But there's a little area that I can't see, and that little area is just over your right shoulder. That's called your right blind spot. It's your blind spot on your right side. Very simple and straightforward. Now, in order to check your blind spot, what you want to do is take your head, put it over your shoulder like this. Now, when you do that, you're going to be able to see out your blind spot, make sure that it's safe, that there's no cars there, that it's safe to proceed. And also your peripheral vision is still going to show you outside of your front windshield, so you're still going to be driving safely. Now, like I said, if you combine all of these things, then you'll easily be able to switch lanes. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over a very simple and straightforward driving tutorial for switching lanes. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.